In this video, I will show you how to add NAB card to digital wallet. So this one is actually relatively easy, and it actually depends on what kind of device you're using. So if you're using an iOS, you should be able to use Apple Wallet. If you're using an Android, you should be able to use a Google Pay. So first things first, head over to your NAB app and then head over and enter in here your NAB ID as well as your password. From there, click onto this login option in order to log in. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So head over and click onto this My Cards option right here, and you should be able to see in here your cards. Now enter your card, just head over and then click onto this card in here as well. And then it should be able to show up the option for either Google Pay or Apple Pay. Just head over and choose one and then agree to their terms and condition and just follow the on-screen instructions. And then once you have done that, it should be able to prompt you for a verification first before adding it into your digital wallet.